Years and years ago, New Kensington was a thriving community. Steel companies began to move offshore or to different parts of the United States. New Kensington was left with no major manufacturer. So for 20 or 30 years, New Kensington's been blighted. Really, the heart of the community historically was blue-collar jobs. If it wasn't steel or aluminum, it was coal mining. And so there's this pride that has existed for generations. And I think it's one of the things that really entrenches the community in their belief that it can be what it was. My name is Michael Wentzel. I'm the owner of Trademark Threads, and our business is a business-to-business e-commerce uniform supplier. We are accepting the logos from small businesses that sometimes that is their one and only connection to their business. You know, it's their identity, and so we have a personal business. The first interaction we had with overcoming technology challenges was with my clients. They would have trouble opening files or losing files, redundancy in files, and so I learned through those interactions that they need to receive something as simplistic as possible. When we started to add workforce that was using ShareFile, that was the first thing that was obvious. We could connect on any device, at any location, and with any generation.
When we're onboarding people, we like to meet them where they are. We're all about keeping everybody comfortable with what they can do. ShareFile is a huge part of that. It's so seamless, we don't see it. And that actually provides a lot of us a dignity that we wouldn't have otherwise, because you might be embarrassed that you don't know how to do something, or stressed or scared, and ShareFile keeps that from happening. We get to stay in our lane, but also communicate with each other seamlessly and easily, and it fits right into a lot of the core values we have.
I didn't realize that we were using ShareFile. It was kind of seamless and effective and easy, and so I think it lifts everybody up.
Through the simplicity of ShareFile, how we were previously, where I'd send an email and cross my fingers that they received it, could open it. Now I send it off and I can see their footprints on the file, and we'll move on. I get 1% of the emails that I used to get in correspondence. And when it was done, the communication was airtight, and therefore the deliverable was airtight and perfect. That is a game changer, and for us to have access to that as a small business is remarkable. That really inspires people to dig into the community again, and when they see a small business, they get a shine in their eye again that it's possible. It's bigger than we could ever manage in this small space on the street in New Kensington, in a former retail place.